And if you could kindly have the first Team India jersey gifted to Patrick from the IFP.
Can I just say one thing, which is very important for those from Ukraine and from Turkey and from other countries? This will not actually influence me in any way whatsoever. May the best team win.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. We really appreciate your support. If there's any questions, answers for anyone on the stage, please feel free to ask now. Thank you, everybody. Patrick, do you want to stay up just in case there's any? The question and answers? We'll just check it out. Is there any? Sure.
So,
hi Raj, I'm Sampalda from Gutshot magazine. We recently did an interview with you. Peter took the interview. And my question is, the players, how they are classified? Are they Indians or international? Or we have some wildcard entries, just like we had in Indian Poker League recently?
Yeah, so in Match IPL, like I said, there's an app that gets downloaded. So for all the team owners that want to take their players, so a lot of the poker owners already have a lot of poker players that play poker. They download the app, they register with the IFP, and accordingly, we'll decide with the team owners, depending on the skill set and how well they've played on the app, if they deserve to be in the team. The first 2 years, we're giving a little bit of flexibility, because a lot of the team owners have selected certain players that they believe would be good for their team. But I believe there is so much hidden talent in India that this app will bring out this talent. And year 3, we'll start introducing players to the teams and helping them make their teams better so that they can win. It's purely Indian Poker League for Indians only. The winning team will represent Team India, so we can't have foreigners in that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And if I can just add to that, is that a player can only be registered for one country. So a player will obviously have to select the country that it's going to be represented by for the whole of his career within match poker.
Raj sir, hi. My question is to you. First of all, a hearty congratulations. Like, you started a new venture and now we are looking forward to it, and I've played this game throughout. So how are things going to be? Like, can a newcomer try out his hand and then get to become like a successful player in it? Or is it like a person who's played this game throughout the years getting into it?
Good afternoon, great question. So we start, obviously, we're promoting amateur poker right from the grassroots levels. We have Indian Federation. Varun is in charge of the Indian Federation. We have lots of organizations across the country that are going to promote the Match Poker app. So we want everyone to take part, people who understand poker at a basic level, start growing. We are going to nurture a lot of talent. There'll be a lot of offline poker events that are happening with the Federation collectively. And ultimately, I mean, it can become a sport where an individual who's good at it can get into a paid professional sport where he can make a livelihood out of poker in India. So yeah, let's see how that goes.
And it's also important that this is a skill-based game. So because everybody is playing through an app, we know how they play their hands, we know how they play against opposition, so they become ranked. So anybody that is a good player will be able to move their way up the ranking. You could be ranked in your age group, you could be ranked in your location, you could be ranked in your employment. As I said earlier, it's all about communities, it's about friendship, it's about relationship, but in this occasion you are going to be ranked by your skill. So young players that are skillful will come through, just as other more experienced players who think they're skillful may seem to realize that they're not quite so skillful as they think they are.
I have another question. This is your new venture, but you recently resigned as the CEO of your offline shopping deal. So now there have been rumors about the employees still being underpaid, and they're they have not really. So what do you have to say about that?
Underpaid? I think I overpay and underwork. But it's not relevant to match poker. Let's stick to match IPL today. Thanks.
Hi Raj, this is Ravi from ABP News.
Hi.
आपने जब इंडिया में बिजनेस शुरू किया था तो फिल्मों में भी आपने डैबल किया था, फिल्में भी, तो क्या इस फ्रंट पे कुछ हो रहा है कि आप फिल्में और प्रोड्यूस करेंगे आगे फ्यूचर में?
I'm trying to keep it match poker relevant. कुछ poker movie बनाते हैं चलो. There's lots of card movies that have come out, 21 and whatnot. करेंगे. It's entertainment's in our blood. We love it. We live in Bombay and Bollywood, and I'm sure we'll look at doing some projects in the future.
Thank you.
Good evening, Raj, and good evening, Mr. Patrick. Raj, is it too difficult for you to... is it very difficult for you to keep yourself away from IPL?
Not at all. I think Indian Poker League needed me. It's a sport that I enjoy, and the right set of people is what makes the league really successful. It's a team job. Everyone from, like I said, the legal, the team owners that we've selected, and obviously, undoubtedly, without Patrick, this wouldn't have been possible. So the right team of people have come together, and I think we're going to give India its first ever poker league, and obviously put India in the world map. There are 62 countries already part of it, and India, we have over 1.5 million poker players. So it's about time that India got onto the poker map, and let's see what we can do.
राज, पर ऐसा नहीं है लोग पैरेलल ड्रॉ करने देंगे कि एक आईपीएल यहाँ शुरू हो गया, एक आईपीएल वहाँ चल रहा है.
अलग है यार, यहाँ पे ताश चल रही है, वहाँ पे बैट एंड बॉल चल रहा है.
Will it be an amalgamation of entertainment and this game, like as we had seen in the cricket?
Yeah, absolutely. We're relying on the Mumbai All-Stars to give us an old celebrity team. So you'll see a lot of celebrities playing. It's a team format, 8 players per team, 1 player from each team on each table. So it'll be an interesting amalgam of people that are coming together from the poker fraternity. And yes, it's going to be glamour, there's going to be Bollywood, there's going to be song and dance, and there's going to be Patrick.
Patrick, you have an idea like how stellar couple Ms. Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra are in India?
Sorry, I missed the question.
You know how stellar couple Ms. Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra are in India, the power couples?
I have absolutely no idea. What's important for us is the first Nations Cup tournament that we organised, we took over the London Eye and we put poker tables into each of the pods of the London Eye. And I've got some amazing pictures from the top of the London Eye looking down onto our government buildings. It's taken us a while for people to understand that this is an important sport. And I have to constantly talk about nothing to do with gaming and gambling. And this couple, I think, can be immensely helpful for us to get the popular view that why shouldn't everybody, including young people, be able to be taught more by playing match poker. So I think their involvement is tremendously, tremendously helpful to us. Thank you.
Had you any ever chance to see Hindi films?
I think I have.
And you haven't seen Shilpa Shetty?
I have a son that is a film producer, so I'm hoping that something might rub off. But we live in hope.
Okay. So you see Shilpa Shetty and you see the whole Hindi film industry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Shilpa, how you will be connected with this venture?
Okay, we'll have to, because of short of time, we'll have to end it here.
Let us Shilpa answer.
So last question before we let this go. I know you won't let us go like this, so one last question for Shilpa.
A very good evening to everyone. Yes, so what was the question? How I'm going to be connected?
Yes.
Well, I'm a really small fish in comparison to all these sharks, so I'm just going to take a backseat and just watch. But I have to take the opportunity to congratulate Raj. I feel very proud as a wife that he comes up with these really innovative ideas and wants to do things before everyone else. You know, actually ahead of it, you know, ahead of times, and whether it be SFL or even investing in the IPL, I think he's someone with a lot of foresight. And yes, I am a poker player, but not with the ranks of all of these. I was introduced to poker because of Shane Warne, and I understood that it was a game of skill, contrary to the belief that it has a lot to do with gambling. And I think they've taken out the aspect of gambling in this sport and in this league. And what I'm really looking forward to is to see the Indian jersey being worn by the winners, and for that representation to happen on a world podium. So congratulations, my darling husband. I think it's wonderful what you have begun.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Raj sir. Thank you, sir. And thank you so much, everyone, for being here, for giving your precious time. And I wish you